Hi guys, back again. My name's Ryan. I'm in the workshop and I've had a good old tidy up of everything, including my beard. The reason for this video is I've teamed up, partnered with Wix and Deter Tech to stop tool theft. We need to stop tool theft in this country. It's becoming ridiculous. You can't even go to a boot sale without seeing some geezer's hard-earned dosh sat there for a £5. So yes, I've teamed up with Deter Tech. I've just done a YouTube video on my live stream because YouTube keeps pushing me to do live streams. But I'm doing a video now to share on Insta, on Facebook and Tick of the Talk. So basically, you follow the instructions when you order your kit and you get your unique DNA little brush lens, should we say, in liquid. You get your stickers and you register online first, lads and ladies. Go and register first, it's much easier, and it will tell you to register your code that you get with the liquid. You register yourself, you register where you live, workshop. You then say if it's construction, van, tools, job done on there. Once you've done that, then give all your tools a clean down with your airline. Don't worry about wiping them clean and all that lot. Put it in areas where it's not going to get wear and tear. So great place to put it is in the battery compartment. And then to top it all off, just before the thief looks at that, when you've just hit him over the head with a baseball bat, the last thing they see is, oh, by the way, mate, it's all been tagged. So yes, that is how you do it. It's as easy as that. It takes 24 hours for it to fully dry. So I'm doing it in the workshop. I'm going to shut that lid. That's all my battery kit. All my 18-volt battery kit has now been smart tagged and it's now registered with its smart trace DNA, smart water, whatever you want to call it, eyelash applicator. If you've done eyelashes for your mum, very easy to do, lads. And ladies, if you do your eyelashes, even easier. Every time you dab it on your tool, put it back in to get more liquid and put it back out. And these have a lifespan. You've got to use it by the date you open it. So that's the whole reason why you register. I mean, this will run out in March 2027. The reason why I'm doing it, it's a great time because I'm transitioning in vehicles and site work. So I've brought a lot of my kit back to the workshop. And before it goes out now, it's all going to get done. So go to their website, Deter Tech. If you were at the Fix Fest, you got a nice hat. But if you weren't, don't worry, there's Wix. They'll help you out. Go and see Wix. And there we are, guys. Let's try and put an end to tool theft in 2026 and 2027. I've been doing this 26 years now, and I've been done twice. I've had my kit stolen twice. I learned the hard way. But this should hopefully stop the car boot sales and all the other places, without saying the name of the social media platform of where you can purchase tools on the squeaky side. So come on, guys, let's work together. Let's mark up our kit. Let's make it difficult for them. Come on. Have a good one, guys.